हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू शर्मा जी के रोबोट। तो हमने कई सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे। अब आज मैं आप लोगों को अपने एक वीडियो में दो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट बना के दिखाऊंगा कि हम कैसे ब्लूटूथ कंट्रोल कार बनाएंगे और मॉइस्चर कंट्रोल सिस्टम बनाएंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ मॉइस्चर सेंसर। तो पहले प्रोजेक्ट में जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो आपको प्रेजेंट करेंगे ब्लूटूथ कंट्रोल कार, और दूसरे वीडियो में मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे हम मॉइस्चर कंट्रोल कैसे करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ मॉइस्चर सेंसर। तो आइए आगे हम देखते हैं वीडियो।
Hey there, hi Devansh.
And I
Of JD Ganga Public School Sirsa and of Class 8. Imagine this, a car that moves exactly how a phone commands it. No remote needed, just your smartphone. Welcome to the world of Bluetooth technology, where one simple tap turns an ordinary mini car into an extraordinary robot. In this smart car, Arduino Uno, motor driver and Bluetooth module are connected with each other with the help of jumper wires. And in the bottom, the motors are connected with caster wheels powered by 9V battery. When we open the Bluetooth app on our phone and press any button, the Bluetooth module receives the command and sends it to Arduino. Arduino then checks the command. If the button F is pressed, it moves forward. If it is B, then it moves backwards. L makes it go left and R makes it go right. And S stops the car.
This is one of the unique project. This is soil moisture sensor. We have attached the additional moisture sensor to our e-board kit, okay, along with some electronic component. There will be two LEDs, two different color of LEDs, and the buzzer also attached, okay. So whenever the level of water will get increased, this can also use for the soil moisture sensoring and other things also. So now the green light is there. When we will put water or the water level will go increase, it will instruct the Arduino, that is nothing but the e-board kit. Then the blue light will glow and the buzzer will also start buzzing. Now it has the sufficient water level, so it start the buzzing also. Okay, thank you.